In 2025, silver prices have surged over 60%, gold over 50%, and Nifty has barely moved, that is 5 to 7%. If you're only investing in stocks, your money would not be working as hard as it could. Smart investors are quietly moving a part of their portfolio into metals, not to replace stocks, but to protect their wealth, fight against inflation, and make a tangible asset. Investors call gold as real money because it holds its value even when rupee weakens and does not lose its worth easily. During 2008's global recession, gold price jumped over 25%. In 2020, during the pandemic, gold price surged over 30% and silver over 40%. And in 2025, we are seeing another historic wave. Analysts say that while short-term corrections may happen, the long-term outlook for metals remains bullish. That is, experts expect prices to keep rising steadily over the next few years. This is driven by inflation, industrial demand, and global uncertainty. The best part is, stock and gold are two different investing avenues, and gold has always given good results during market uncertainties. Imagine the market drops 10% in a month. Your gold might barely move or even rise. It is like having an umbrella during a financial rainstorm. The storm still happens, but you stay protected. Silver brings one more edge. It is not just a store of value, but also an industrial metal. In 2025, this dual nature paved the surge of the value of silver.